Okay, I hope everybody's doing alright. This is going to be a review on the Coleman PowerChill Thermoelectric Cooler, Iceless. So this is a thermoelectric cooler that's supposed to stay 40 degrees cooler than the surrounding temperature. It's about 40 quarts. As we can see, 5 amps, 6 watts, so or 60 watts, I'm sorry. 12 volts, it should work in any car or truck, as you see in the pictures. Holds 44 cans of soda, 40 quarts, 1.3 cubic feet. It says to leave it plugged in for 3 hours. Here it is, I just plugged it in. Got it plugged into a battery source here. See, it's only 53%. It is on. It's the Coleman Thermoelectric Cooler. I'll just stick a thermometer in there right now. Catch the temperature. About 90 degrees right now. Let's close it up and see what happens. Now, let me stick some cream cheese in there first. There we go. Stick something in there. Like I said, it's about 90 degrees. About 2.5 hours now, so we're going to check it out. I have it hooked just to this regular cigarette outlet on this battery box that's plugged in. Like I said, it's been about 2.5 hours. Let's see what we got. I got one item in there, the cream cheese. About 58 degrees. That's not too bad. So, it was 90 earlier, so 58. That's about 30 something degrees, 35 degrees. So yeah, we'll try it overnight and check it in the morning. Alright, we're back at the Coleman cooler. I had it off and on last night. Well, no, actually, I turned it off last night at about maybe 12 o'clock, 11:30, 12. And then I didn't turn it back on until about 8. The plug gets super hot. I thought it was just my socket, but this thing is even warm right now. It's only been on less than an hour. So be careful, because last night scared the hell out of me when I grabbed it. Wasn't expecting it to be so warm. But it maintained 40 degrees last night, and it's about 42 now. And like I said, I just plugged it in for the ride to the hardware store. It's 81 degrees out. So 42 degrees in there, 81 degrees out. Pretty good. I'm about to eat a Lunchable out of there, and we'll see how it is. Alright, we're going to test the Coleman Iceless chest out again. It's 90 degrees outside. Inside temperature of over 100 in this truck. I'm going to put my Lunchable in there. And we got some water and my Gatorade or my Powerade. We're going to close it up and we're going to check it. It's 12:49. So let's see if it can get any cooler. 100 degrees. Alright, we're going to check the cooler. It's 159. Let's see what the temperature is in there. Remember, we were at 100 degrees. And look at that, 78 degrees. So it brought it down 22 degrees in about an hour. Not too bad.